So in this Pages tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to delete an image on the Pages iPhone application. So first and foremost, you have to go ahead and actually add an image to your page in order for you to delete it. So once your Pages is opened up, go to the top right where there's that purple box. Once you're here, I'm just going to go ahead and select a photo for this example. So I'll just go to photos right here. I will select the photos of these pencil crayons just like this. Now you have your photos selected. Maybe you want to make it larger or smaller. You want to, turn it, whatever the case may be. Just like that. If you want to delete it, it's pretty straightforward. Just press on it just one time where it says delete. Go ahead and delete it that way. So very simple, very basic, very straightforward, but that's how to delete an image on the Pages iPhone application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.